Hey G Squad, welcome back to my channel. So as you see by the title, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this, what I call a Fiesta baked sweet potato or yam. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I put together this delight, then keep watching. Hey y'all. So on the counter I have all my ingredients. That's my oven just going off. I preheated it already to 400 degrees for our potatoes, which this is part of our show. So I have 2 yams here. And family, if you're going to be using more than 1 yams, try to make sure that they're the same size, so when you cook them, they're all cooked at the same time. Okay, so I have the 2 yams here because it's 2 of us. Then I have a pack of turkey bacon, which I'm not going to use this entire pack. I have 2 onions here, a yellow as well as a red onion. Here I have 3 cans, one with my chickpeas, another one with the black beans, and then I have a whole kernel corn. And so out of each one of these cans, I would probably use like a cup of each one of these ingredients. Back here I have some whipped butter that I'm going to add to my my yams when I scoop it out. You'll see that in the video. Then I have some cherry tomatoes right here. My seasonings today, I'm just using garlic powder, some pink Himalayan salt, and then I have black pepper right here. And then also I'm going to be using some extra virgin olive oil. Okay? So now that we got all our ingredients listed, let's get started with our yams. Alright y'all, so I have my potatoes on the pan with aluminum foil. Now you don't have to add aluminum foil, I just did that just to catch the grease. So now you're going to take a fork and you're just going to poke holes like in several different places of your potatoes. Okay, and the reason we poke holes, well, I poke holes in the potato is that when it starts to cook, I want the steam to be able to escape. I don't want these to explode, and so that's why we poke the holes in it. So now I'm going to take some of my olive oil and just drizzle it on each one. Okay, and so now I'm just going to rub that in. And if you have like a basting brush, you can use your basting brush to rub your oil in if you don't want to get it all on your hands. Okay, wipe my hands off. Okay, and so now what I like to do is season the outside of my skin. So I'm just going to use my seasonings here. And this is optional. This is just, again, something that I like to do since I'm going to be eating the skin as well. Add some black pepper. And a little garlic powder. Okay. So again, just rub that in. And so now, as I said, I have the oven preheated already, 400 degrees. So I'm going to pop these in and allow them to bake for like 45 minutes. Okay? All right, G Squad. So now that we have our yams in the oven, I'm going to prep my beans and my corn. And that's just simply, I'm just going to open up each can, drain the juice out of each one of them, rinse it with cold water. Okay, family, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roast my chickpeas. And now what I do is I wait till I'm near like the last 15 minutes of my potato being done to continue on with everything else, because everything else is just pretty, you know, 1, 2, 3. And so now I'm going to drizzle these chickpeas with some olive oil. And now I told y'all, or if you're new to my channel, I have a tendency sometimes to, at the last minute, add ingredients that I may not have had it on the screen. But anyway, so this is one of those times again. So I'm going to season these chickpeas with some of this complete seasoning. And also with some paprika. And actually, I think I want to add smoked paprika to this instead. So yeah, here we go. So I'm adding smoked paprika to this. And then now just give it a little mix. Then I'm just going to add them to this cast iron pan and make sure they spread out. Okay, and make sure they're social distancing. And so now I'll pop these in and let these roast. It should be ready in like 10-15 minutes, okay? And starts to dry out, you can add some more olive oil or butter. Okay, y'all, so our yams are done. So I'm going to allow these to sit for about 10 minutes to cool off before I cut into them. Now you just want to cut around, and this potato is still hot. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to lift the top off of that one. Y'all see that steam coming out that potato, y'all? Woo! Ooh. Okay. Okay, so now using a spoon, I'm just going to scoop out some of the yams and add it in a bowl right here. Alright, so now that I have it scooped out, that's how it looks. I'm just going to chop it up some. And then while it's hot, we're going to go in and add some of my whipped butter. And you can use whatever type of butter you like. I just had this left over, so I'm just going to go with this. Give that a nice mix. Okay, just mash that in. And then the last thing I'm going to do now is go in and add some of my bacon bits. Okay, mix that in. Okay, so I'm going to add some of this whipped butter inside the shell or cavity, if you will, of the potato. A little bit too much in that. So now we go in with our filling. Just begin to fill her up. Okay, we'll clean up the mess afterwards, y'all. So now, in no particular order, we're going to begin to add the rest of our ingredients. Alright, G Squad, so here you have it, our Fiesta baked sweet potato. So family, once again, I want to thank you so much for stopping in. And you know what, a shout out to all of you. Like, I appreciate y'all so much. Interacting with y'all in the comment section, and y'all have some really nice, kind, encouraging, uplifting words to say, and I appreciate all of you. I really do. Okay, so on that note, if you have not joined this marvelous family, y'all make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's free 99. I say it again, it's free 99, instant approval, boom. But family, I love you guys once again, and I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I did. And I'm going to go off camera and enjoy this, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay blessed, and if you're traveling for the upcoming holidays, you know, be safe first and foremost, and have a wonderful time, you know, loving on your family, okay? And I'll see you soon. Bye.